Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of Apple iPad Pro along with the second generation pencil. So I have brought it from this Apple website. So I got it in a good education. As you can see, they have given a tight box which exactly fits the pencil and the iPad. So this is the pencil, second generation. So you can see the details here. So let's keep it aside and see the iPad now. So the box is a very small box and it looks very beautiful, as you can see. So the details are mentioned here. So it has been priced 81,900 and has been manufactured in the month of March only, though the country of origin is China. So I have brought the base variant, that is 128 GB and with Wi-Fi only. So let's begin to unbox it now. So I am very excited to open it. So let's see. So this is the iPad on the top. So they have replaced the plastic with some paper-like cover. Previously they used to be plastic. So this is the camera. It has two cameras and it looks stunning. So we'll open it. Let's see what are the belongings in the box. So it is written designed by Apple California. So we have got some paperwork. So these are some of the basic guides, like what is what, like kind of thing, and some warranty manuals and two stickers. I have ordered space gray color, so they have given white stickers. So now let's keep it aside. This is the charger. They have given a 20-watt charger with this iPad. I don't know if you can see. So it is USB-C to USB-C only. So the cable they have provided is looking to be very good. So as you can see, it's the braided cable. So I liked it, though with MacBook also they have not given braided cable. Now let's take the iPad. So let me open it. I have been waiting this long for this. So let's open. So that feel is not there which it used to come previously, that opening that plastic. So it's feeling very good in hand, very sturdy, and the metal finish is very good. So as you can see, I have done some engraving. And the camera is also looking very good. The engraving is also good. This is the first iPad I am buying with engraving. So the engraving in that iPad and that my engraving, like both are similar. So it doesn't look external. So this is how it looks. So I will turn it on later. So let me first unbox this pencil also. So the seal I can remove. So they have given that knifeless unboxing experience. So this is how this pencil is. So let's take it out. So the packaging is minimalistic. As you can see, that's it. So we have some paperwork in the front. So let's see what are there available. So they have given some normal user manual, I think. Yes. So this is how it is. So and some, so I will keep it aside. So this is the pencil. It feels very good. I have done engraving in this too, so it's looking very nice. So let's open it. Now let's turn on the iPad and see the beauty. So the Apple logo came up, and I will go through the setup process, so you enjoy. Since I already had an iPad previously, whose unboxing is given in the description, so I will restore the backup that I had there. So it will take some time, I think, to restore it. So all the settings and everything it will restore. So you see, so it's restoring from iCloud. So finally it is up, and it feels very smooth. It has the ProMotion display. I think due to that it is feeling very smooth. So I will use it and later gives you some feedback regarding this M2 chip and all these things. So thank you very much. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this.